Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to convert video to audio in Android. So let's get right into it. Head over to your CapCut application. Then just head over to any video you have started to work on, or you can just add new project from here. Suppose I'm going for this one. And here just click on audio. Once you do it, just go to extract. Once you go there, just select any video from which you want to extract the audio. So just click on the video. Click on it. And the audio is extracted and inserted in here. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.